Hi there. Today I'd like to talk to you about pancakes. At this time of the year we celebrate Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday. And Shrove Tuesday is the day before Ash Wednesday, which is the start of Lent. Traditionally, families would have used up all their flour and fat and sugar and eggs in the house to make pancakes before the period of fasting and reflection of Lent. And Shrove Tuesday always falls 47 days before Easter Sunday. So this year that means that Shrove Tuesday is celebrated on the 16th of February, when we're actually off on half term. Now, if we were in school as normal, this week the home economics department would be a hive of activity and you'd all be busy making pancakes, and the smells and aromas would be wafting throughout the sea corridor, and it would be just wonderful. Now, we can't be at school just now. However, I'm going to share my recipe with you so you can recreate your pancakes at home with your family. We have had great fun this week in the Crawford household, making our pancakes and then coming up with all sorts of crazy and wonderful toppings. And the taste testing has been just great fun. And I hope you will enjoy doing some more practical work at home too. I have to say, I have been absolutely blown away by the standard of practical work that you're submitting during lockdown. I am so very proud of each and every one of you. Your skills are amazing, and I am just delighted to see your photographs coming through every day. So please don't forget to send your photographs this time. Make sure you send them to your home economics teachers, and just look after yourselves. Really miss you guys, and really looking forward to seeing you back in school very soon. Take care, bye.
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea, but as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would away forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same, gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little hope, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. 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 We set out on a mission to find our inner peace, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being with you.
These are not just pancakes, these are Laurel Hill pancakes.